Hello channel and welcome back to a new video. In this video I have a quick review on the Smart Universal Socket with dual USB. It is Zigbee powered and it provides you with two USB outlets, USB-A and USB-C, and let's get to it. So why would I want to use a smart wall socket? First, it adds another router to your Zigbee mesh, makes it stronger. Second, it is concealed in the wall. You don't need to add anything, you just replace. And third, of course, it has smart controls to power on and off any attached devices. As usual, I like to start with unboxing, so let's take a quick first look on the box. So I got this from Aliexpress. Let's open it and see its physical appearance. It is Chinese made. It is looking okay. It's universal. It has a physical Zigbee on-off button and two USB outlets. It is powered by standard line, neutral, and earth. And we're gonna take a deeper look into all of that, and also it comes with some screws, and that's about it. Right, so before you buy or replace your standard wall socket with a smart one, there are some considerations that you need to be aware of. So I will try to cover as much as possible in this video. The first point of comparison is clamping capacity. This is the wiring terminal capacity that holds your wires. As you can see on the left hand side, my original one can fit a pair of 2.5 millimeter square wires into the terminals, whereby on the right hand side it is unspecified, it's too small to fit in your wires. So be careful with this when planning to replace your socket. The second consideration is the wire terminal spacing, the space between each of the terminals. As you can see on the left hand side, they are amply spread, so you can easily snug in your cables without having, or your wires without having to worry about space. Whereby on the right hand side, it is really crammed, they are just next to each other, which makes it hard to plug in or wire your terminals. I can see enough space on the socket, but I don't know why they just cram them. It's too tight and it makes it difficult to wire. The third consideration is the depth of the socket. So on the left hand side, you have your standard socket. Doesn't really need to be that deep because it's not smart, doesn't have any controllers. Conversely, the smart one has some controllers, so it's understandably deeper. However, it is, in my opinion, too deep, 25 millimeter, which makes it really hard to put it in the wall socket, in my case at least. So you also have to pay attention to that when planning to replace your socket. Right, so installing the smart wall socket. First, make sure that the power is off or consult a professional. We are going to start by removing the faceplate carefully. Be careful not to break it, it's plastic. And then we are going to unscrew the socket. Just a second reminder, make sure that the power is off. Working with these line voltages can be really harmful, so be careful. All right, so here we can see just a visual check. Now, okay, so now we have the earth, line, and neutral. As you can see, we have a pair of each. This is because we have a ring circuit, and it's normal in many installations. And after we installed and wired our socket, smart socket, we're just gonna screw it back. As you can see, it is a little deep for my wall, so it's not going to be perfectly fit inside, but that's okay. As long as you are careful around it, you should be fine. And this is the final look. I'm gonna turn on the Zigbee button for discovery with Home Assistant, and the blinking means it's in discovery mode. So on to the final step, onboarding the device onto Zigbee2MQTT in Home Assistant. It's pretty much standard, auto-discovered instantly, no issues at all. It exposes two controls, the L1 and L2, which essentially is a switch on and off for these power outlets, but it does not provide power metering, unfortunately, which would have been really nice. And that's about it for this short, quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like my videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel so I can continue providing more and more. Thank you.